Hi, my name is Ankita Das, and I am here to give an online talk on certified online trainings, a game changer of your career. So in the last video, which is my first video also, I have told you about the certified online trainings which Intershala provides, but I haven't told that in brief. So in this video, my second video, I'm going to tell about the certified online trainings, which is a game changer of your career. Let's give a start. So, what's the buzz about the online trainings? Like, why online trainings? Self-placed, time efficient, cost efficient, and customize learning environment, and helps in information retention. So self-placed means online trainings means self-placed. Why? You can complete them according to your speed. Okay, online training, so you can complete it according to your speed. Time efficient because it saves your time by providing you all the resources at the same place. So it is time efficient also. Cost efficient, they help you to spend less and learn more. Yeah, that's a big thing because in the last video I've told you that offer is also going 55 plus 10% off. So for avail that, I will be giving a link today in my description, so you can use that unique code or and the unique link for enrolling yourself in any of the Intershana based online training. Okay, so it is cost efficient, and another one is it is customized learning environment. Why? Obviously now you're in home, so you can learn from the comfort of your home. So yes, it is customizable learning environment, and it helps trainees to retain and remember information. Why? Means retain information and remember information how? With attractive images, legible fonts, movie clips, animated description, and many more. Obviously many more because you have to go and explore. Okay, now how can online trainings help become employable, get certified, learn a new skill? Online training makes you employable. They help you in building your career by getting certified. Okay, so certification is very necessary. Apart from that, you can anytime and anywhere start learning a new skill of your interest. So online trainings are of great help. Okay, you will agree that with me. Now it comes a question of where to find, like the points I've said, like maybe online trainings about online means where I can get it. So yeah, choose from over 25 plus in-demand skills on Internshala trainings. Join 2.8 lakh plus learners who have already learned new skill. Join them. It's a great and a big and a wide platform. Why Internshala trainings? Like why Internshala trainings? Huh? Best in class teaching. It provides best teaching experience with the experts in this field. Second, brain teasing exercises. Brain teasing exercises. Like okay, lots of exercise to enhance your learning. Exercises are important, right? Because to study something you will not get to know that you are ready for it until and unless you give a test or you appear for or you give be a part or give some exercises, some test or something like that. For that, brain teasing exercises are there. And third point is industry level projects to make you future ready. And the last thing which you deserve after all this best in class teaching, brain teasing exercises, industry level projects, the last thing which you deserve, certificate. Like it's a proof, right? You should have. So certified trainings you also will get. So Intershala trainings. Now, let me tell about the top selling trainings. Okay, the top selling trainings in Internshala are web development, digital marketing, ethical hacking, programming with Python, advanced Excel. Okay, and I think in current situation, in the current world, we should have one of them for sure. We should learn, right? The types of trainings available. You should know types of trainings, right? So the types of training which is available in Internshala are core engineering, business, creative art, career development, specializations. So, how to start learning? Okay, how to start learning? Go to internshala.com and register for a training. Complete your payment and start learning. This is for online trainings in Internshala trainings. Okay, you have to register for a training, complete your payment there, and start learning. Why should I pay? Why should you not pay? Like for best in-class content and product, you will get to have live chat with the trainer every day. 24-hour forum support. You get 24-hour round-the-clock forum support. You will get placement assistance via Internshala trainings. All the content is downloadable. Yeah, all the contents are downloadable. That means lifetime access to all the training videos which you are enrolling for. So I think you have got the answer of why should I pay. Okay, so all the questions like why should I pay, how to start learning, what are the types of trainings, which are the top selling trainings, why internships, why Internshala internship, how where to find such internship, why online trainings, and many more questions. Let's come to the best part. Surprise. Okay, surprise. What the surprise you can give? Okay, the surprise is I have a special discount coupon for all of you watching right now. So I will be giving the coupon address code, the unique code, in the description box. And let me tell you, you have to use in the coupon ISP21 ANKI 9330. I will be giving it in the description. Please go to it and check it to get additional 10% discount on all the international trainings. That code is very helpful. So International Trainings is giving a special discount of 55% plus 10%. If you use my code on all the online trainings available on that platform, you are going to get the 55% plus 10% one, plus 10%. So you are going to get 65% if you are going to use my Unicode, which is ISP219ANKI9330. Or else if I say, which is given in the description. So the part should, I will tell now, like, you may have any question, so you can ask the question in the comment box, and the question you can ask me any question that you have might have related to International trainings. So for today, this much. Thank you so much for listening me to the last, watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye.